This 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and 3-car garage Boston floor plan comes in at 3,661 square feet. This First Texas home includes numerous architectural upgrades and wide-open living spaces. The first floor has high vaulted ceilings, large dining and living areas, all with custom flooring throughout. The family room and breakfast nook seamlessly tie into a wonderful gourmet kitchen, including chef's pantry, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. The private master bedroom suite is all about luxury. The master bath comes complete with a designer's dual vanities, stand-up shower, and deep, relaxing tub. After you walk up this spiral staircase, you'll find 4 large bedrooms offering more than enough space for the entire family. And if movie nights are something you enjoy, be sure to take advantage of the media room. We can build you this floor plan in many of our First Texas Homes communities. Contact a First Texas Homes sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Boston floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.